Good morning or good afternoon. Today is March 18th. Today in class, I have a video that you're going to watch for, oh, not that one, the molar volume notes video. That just goes over a new concept. It's a pretty short video, only about 5 minutes. And then we're getting some practice related to that concept, okay? Now I recorded that video and the example problem video, practice problem number 1. I recorded those on Monday, and I did change what you're doing for homework and in class. So if I mention that in those videos, just ignore it, okay? The homework is going to be problems 1 through 7, okay? So that was reduced from before, and that worksheet can be found right here where it says student copy of practice problems. Okay, so we're only working on 1 through 7. So yeah, that changed from Monday, just so you know. So only problems 1 through 7. So after the notes, you can get started on those. That is basically the homework, but do stay online. That way you can send me questions on GoGuardian, but also because with 10 minutes of class remaining, an exit ticket's going to be posted. And that exit ticket has questions based on the notes that I go over, okay? So there is a video that you'll watch for notes, but I've also posted the slides that you can print for your reference as well. Now in terms of the homework that's due today, I'll show you where you can submit that. That's under classwork, COVID-19, where it says due 3/18, more practice 55 through 58, okay? So go ahead, just take a picture with your phone. You can submit it on your phone, and that's what's due today. It's completion, not accuracy, and we will go over some of those questions tomorrow, okay? I think that's it. I know yesterday we had a little bit of trouble accessing the textbook and stuff, but we just roll with the punches as they come. And I'm still trying to figure that out. Emailed Pearson, but they haven't been very helpful. So message me on GoGuardian if you have any questions at all.